This video is going to look at what biology is all about at Q2 and Q3. Biology is the study of living things, what they are made of and how they function, how they interact with their environment and each other. We also study the diversity of living things and how these living things have evolved and continue to evolve. A particular focus is Aotearoa New Zealand's unique flora and fauna and the distinct ecosystems that we have, and how we can approach this through a sustainable lens. The courses have a mix of internal and external assessment. Some of these are compulsory and others will be optional or negotiable. It is likely that external examination will be part of the assessment that you do. Biology does involve a fair amount of written communication. Although we are very open to work being presented in a variety of ways, part of this work will involve writing extended discussions and essays. If this is not your strength, then you will need to put more time and energy into your work. Field trips and getting outside into nature is a big part of biology, both at Q2 and Q3. You do need to be prepared to participate in these types of learning experiences, and some of these field trips may involve collecting data or making observations. Practical investigations, both inside and outside, are a big part of biology in order to collect data about living things and their environment, and then to make sense of this data. We will be learning about various theoretical concepts, ranging from those at a cellular level, such as genetics, up to organism level, such as human biology, and then beyond into ecology, how living things are connected, and evolution, how groups of living things change over time. At Q2, the biology curriculum has more of a focus on ecology and genetics, and then at Q3, there is more of a focus on human biology, genetics, and evolution. Ideally, biology would be taken for 2 years in order to give you the best all-round learning experience. It can be very challenging to pick up biology at Q3 if you haven't done this at Q2, as the concepts do build on each other. That said, it is possible to change into biology at Q3 on a case-by-case basis, so please talk to Andrea if you have any questions about this. To thrive in the world that we live in requires at least a basic understanding of biology, how living things will be affected by climate change and habitat reduction, how we try to overcome living with microorganisms, COVID being a prime example. Mātauranga Māori encourages us to recognise humans as being part of the ecosystems that we live in, rather than superior to the ecosystems, and we need this kind of thinking going forward so that we can find sustainable solutions to the issues that our world is facing. Biology can lead into a wide range of career paths, such as veterinarian science, medical fields, including medicine, nursing, dentistry, and pharmacology, for example, ecology and zoology, sports science, medical research, genetic counselling, conservation, food science, marine biology, biotechnology, psychology, education and teaching, horticulture and agriculture, to name just a few. It might also be a science that you want to take to complement other subjects that you are doing, or to provide you with a wide base of knowledge and skills, or simply learning biology for interest and to have endless anecdotal stories to tell people at parties. If you have any questions about taking biology at Q2 or Q3, please contact Andrea to have a chat.